Looking for a hassle-free way to boost your storage with an M.2 NVMe or SATA SSD? The UGREEN M.2 NVMe SATA Enclosure offers up to 10 gigabits per second transfer speeds, making it easy to move large files in seconds. Whether you're working with M.2 M+B Key NVMe PCIe, or B-Key M.2 SATA SSDs above 2 TB, this enclosure supports them all, except B-Key NVMe and M SATA models. It's the perfect solution for anyone wanting faster, more flexible storage without the fuss. I recently swapped out my old external drive for this UGREEN enclosure, and the difference is clear. The tool-free, buckle design made installing my M.2 NVMe SSD quick and secure. No extra screws or complicated steps. Plug it in, and it's ready to go with no driver installation needed. The enclosure's premium aluminum alloy body keeps the drive cool without a noisy fan, while the advanced RTL9210B chip protects against short circuits and overcurrent issues. It's reassuring to know my data stays safe during those heavy transfer sessions. What really stands out is its broad compatibility. Supporting M.2 sizes 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280, plus Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS systems. This enclosure fits right into your workflow no matter what device you use. The package includes everything you need: the enclosure itself, USB-C to USB-A and USB-C cables, rubber screws, and a clear user manual. It's a complete, reliable kit that lets you upgrade your storage effortlessly. If you're ready to unlock faster data transfers and secure storage for your M.2 SSDs, the UGREEN NVMe SATA Enclosure is worth a look. It delivers on speed, safety, and ease of use without unnecessary extras. Try it when you're ready to take your external storage to the next level.